Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our liftgate handle for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Restoring a classic Bronco is rewarding, and Dennis Carpenter has the parts you need to bring your vision into reality. Exterior parts take a beating from the elements, and the liftgate handle was a high-wear item. Dennis Carpenter offers a new liftgate handle for these classic machines. Our liftgate handle will get your liftgate operating like it was meant to. They are a direct replacement for your damaged or broken handle. Chrome plated just like the originals, they come complete with the internal locking mechanism and a key. Replacing your liftgate handle with a quality replacement from Dennis Carpenter can be the perfect finishing touch to your Bronco restoration project. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.